Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with a quick stash update, so let's just jump right into it. Got rid of some stuff, and I've gotten some more stuff. That's new to you guys. Also new to me, the newer version with the different pace. Super excited on that. Shark Bite 200. This is new to you guys. Probably one, well, not one of the only, but one of the few Disney movies that are newer that I haven't seen, but badass artwork nonetheless. Number 3 hiding down there. Shout out to the plug, hooked me up with these. Never had them before, the bigger crackers. But yeah. Always gotta love the smaller stuff. Got 2 racks, 6 shot each, so 12 total. 2.5 right there, and then 2 gold bars, 4 inches. All bang. You've already seen this. Pop the hood real quick for you guys. 300. Oh yeah. My boys, case of 4-inch Lidus. This is new to you guys. Obviously super hyped on that. Also new to you guys. 200 shot. This one and definitely 318 are what I'm most excited about so far. And then I secured a case of these lastly. The 6s. Super hyped on those. Never had those. But yeah, that's where the stash is at so far, guys. Definitely will be back with an update, maybe 2 more before the 4th, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, hopefully everybody's staying safe, and I'll see you guys soon back with more shit. Peace.